Yes, old dog. We say road yard and abroad. Yeah, Nathan. Yes, no man. Anywhere we go, we champion it up. See me? Yeah. See it there now? Road clean and the only thing it do wet, but it clean. Yeah man, wet and slippery. Fuck. Think of chattings. Rain fall upon the snow and melt it and it turns slime. Yeah man, see the chain off area, yeah? This is where you come and park and take off your chain. See the sign there? Chain off area. But we are do it in a different pattern and different style tonight. Not chain. And boy, they have a blood clot all here when you don't have on a chain is a $800 ticket under your clot. Yeah man. Aware of freezing rain. You see that? That's what that sign says. Freezing rain. When the freezing rain. Oh Lord Paris. What I like them, yeah? It's a tractor tire advice. An oversized load prohibited. Well, see normally I saw them with a park and chain up on the side, so you see me? And it clean in the night and see one boy around the road there beat it and go up the road. So that means say none chain up deal now for going in the night, yeah. But the road white out still in the brother. White out, you fuck. Yeah man. But you don't know the old wicked already. Not afraid of nothing. You understand? Anything come my pathway, me deal with it wicked. You see me? Yeah man, so I go take it on, you know. See it here? It start you know, you know dog. And I'm a gear on this, me have the phone, you know, so me have to go leg out the phone, you know, and start punch some gear, you see me? Yeah. I'm gonna try punch one with the left hand still. Make you hear it. Blood clot, it not ready dog. I throw a left hand, you know. It grit. Yeah man. I release it back still. That one your name. Snow Kwame Pass. I go up the Snow Kwame Pass. I go round to the part you know where if chain require you go see a big red light round there. I want truck show I keep round there. Truck like buckry. I pray the light lock off in the night. You come in and not chain up deal in the night at all. I'm there to reach upon the wicked part yet and right now. It look way down here so. I take time going up see how it look like still. Blood clot boy, yo. Bust off your face, yeah, man. I hold up the fucking road, dog. Don't hold up wicked youth. no brother. It now parish. I up it this year now in a dog. See some man down there so I put on chain a while ago, but me decide say yo I up them in a blood clot going a dog. With my matter on in my jaw corner, you see me? Yeah man. I pint it up that bumper clot. The boy them a come down it there. Yes man. Some boy a come down it there. Slowly but surely. And wicked a go up it mad and mean. Yeah, man. Pack a Mataran and me Red Bull side of me. No want nothing more than that. I'll carry dead up of this blood clot here tonight. I don't know where did they start doing a youth. Fix up your blood clot self. I gotta get what's coming. Yeah. Yes, man. That's how we do it, man. At east side we say, you know. Yeah. And boy, they're around there. Behind me. He can't come still. I feel all in corners, man. You see me? A maritime machine them here, man. So I say, I always say snow, you know. Yeah. I always say snow. Pop off one wicked. Mad. Whole dog. Bumper clot. Up there. You hear snow out that door, boy? Oh, that door up back. I turn. Me I go turn it down here now. Yeah, man. Hear them, man? Snow I kick up like a rumpus. Oh, I done it. Me I go here now, so me I go easy. You hear? Yeah, well, me nice little 7 and I take time go down, you know. Direct 7, you see me? Yeah, man. Gear brake, pan compression, everything I roll. Yeah, man. Every now and again, me pinch him with the pincher. You know, so body I know still. Rain a fall on the opposite side. Yo, that pass you fuck up, you fuck. Coming up, when you reach up on the peak part, I snow up there. You see me? And when you turn down, sometimes freezing rain, sometimes normal rain. Yo, just different. Yeah, man. All kind of weather, boy. Yeah. But as me say, you don't know wicked take on anything. Yeah, Nathan. Yeah, man. All who don't know who near wicked are the great Jason. You see me? No girl can't take me for no face basin. Yes, it. Yeah, man. Machine a glide a go down. Yeah, man. Yes. Up there, me say, St. Thomas. change a gear, you know, dog. I have to go bust or something, so I have to go cut if it is it. This is one of the wicked part, you know, dog. Turn down it, you know. Yeah, man. Blood clad, plow truck boy say out there. Plow truck boy. Why not plow? Hey boy, plow the road, you know. Yeah, deal it. Plow truck boy say out there. Yeah, man. I take time go and dilly dally down it, you know.